Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are having another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate expression 1 over a plus 1 over a square plus 1 over a cube up to infinity. If a is 4 raised to the power log square root 18 root 5 minus 17 with base 8. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e first. So we have to evaluate this infinite sum. Now I will begin this video with the most powerful log property. It is a power log b with base c. Then we can switch these two numbers anytime. Equal to b raised to the power log a with base c. Let's apply this property here. So I can write a will become square root 18 root 5 minus 17. And power will become log 4 with base 8. Now I will simplify our power separately. Log 4 base 8. Let me write here. Now I will use another log property, log a with base p. Anytime we can write log a over log b. So I can write here log 4 over log 8. Now we can write 4 as 2 square and denominator 8 we can write 2 cube. Now I will use another log property, log a power b. We can take this exponent as a multiplier, so it will become b log a. Let us apply. So I can write this side will be equal to 2 log 2 in the numerator and 3 log 2 in the denominator. So this will be over. So exponent value will become 2 over 3. Let us apply this value here. So I can write a will become square root 18 root 5 minus 17 and power is 2 over 3. Now I will use another exponent law which states that a power b times c. We can write a power b whole power c. So I can write a will become square root 18 root 5 minus 17. Power will be 2 and then whole power will be 1 over 3. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. It will give us 18 root 5 minus 17 whole power 1 over 3. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So a cube will become 18 root 5 minus 17. Now can we factor 18 as 6 times 3? Let me write here. A cube equal to 18 root 5 minus 17. So we can write 6 times 3 times root 5 minus 17. Can we write 3 as root 9 minus 17? And now I can club these two radicals. So I can write 6 times square root 45 minus 17. This is our a cube. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So I need to multiply both sides by 8. Let's multiply both sides by 8. Now I can write LHS as 8a cube. RHS will be 48 root 45 minus 17 times 8. It is 136. Now 8 can be written as 2 cube times a cube equal to 48 root 45 minus 136. So I can use exponent law and LHS will become 2a whole cube equal to 48 root 45 minus 136. Let us write here 2a whole cube equal to 48 root 45 minus 136. Now I will split 48 as 45 plus 3 and minus 136 minus 135 minus 1. So we can write 45 root 45 plus 3 root 45 and minus 136 will be minus 135 minus 1. Let's rearrange RHS. I can write 45 square root 45 minus 1 minus 135 plus 3 times square root 45. Can we write 45 root 45 as square root 45 whole cube? Similarly 1 cube. Similarly minus 3 times root 45 square times 1. And last term 3 root 45. 3 times root 45 times 1 square. So RHS is recalling one identity a minus b whole cube. This will become a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So I can write 2a whole cube. This will be equal to root 45 minus 1 whole cube. And once I will consider cube root both sides. For real a, I will be getting 2a equal to a square root 45 minus 1. Let's divide both sides by 2. A will become a square root 45 minus 1 over 2. So this is the value of A. Let me write here. Minus 1 over 2. If you will check, then A is greater than 1. A is positive but greater than 1. And if I will check 1 over A value, so this value will become 2 over square root 45 minus 1, then it will be less than 1. Now the term of expression E equal to 1 over A plus 1 over A square plus 1 over A cube. So this is infinite GP. So its first term will be 1 over A. Common ratio will be 1 over A. And if I will write some formula, so I am writing equal to A over 1 minus R, where this mod R should converge less than 1. So R value is 1 over A. You can see this is less than 1. So I can write here 1 over A over 1 minus 1 over A. So our ES, this will become 1 over A minus 1. Let us apply the value of A, root 45 minus 1 over 2. So I can write ES. S stands for sum. 1 over a minus 1. So root 45 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. I can write 2 over root 45 minus 1 minus 2. So I can write 2 over root 45 minus 3. Now 45 is 9 times 5. So we can write 3 root 5. So ES will become 2 over 3 root 5 minus 3. Let us take 3 common from the denominator. So in bracket root 5 minus 1 will be there. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So I need to multiply in the numerator denominator by denominator's conjugate. So root 5 plus 1. Root 5 plus 1. Now these two terms will give us root 5 square minus 1 square as per difference of two squares identity. So I can write 2 times root 5 plus 1 over 3 times root 5 square minus 1 square. So 2 times root 5 plus 1 over 3 times 5 minus 1. So ES will become 2 times root 5 plus 1 over 3 times 4. Now we can cancel 2 and 4. So our final answer will become root 5 plus 1 over 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, goodbye. Take care of yourself.